Right now.
Hey, Mia, look. Or Maya, look. Look. Is Maya looking or is she not looking? Private. No one can see it but me.
Not a bad idea. So you can still see it. I tried.
Yep.
Wait, I like it posted, but not. I don't even leave this folder. Oh, amazing. That failed. I think mine. Yo, Liz. Those reports supposed to be the copy.
No. Hey, Bo, did you make your... Everything's on. Okay. It's 30 seconds long. It's kind of short. Okay. Well, don't resend it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to send my thing to you now, but why are all the notes like I don't think it should be enough.
Can I put my name on the board since I sent you my whatever it's called, my career car?
Well, we used to put it on YouTube.
You did send it to me?
Hold on, let me send you my river real quick.
Mr. Hannah, how do you name a file folder? Here, Leah. Leah, where'd you disappear? Wait, Mr. Hannah, do I need to send you my phone?
Hold this down. You should be able to create it.
Well, this is the folder.
Oh, go back.
But it doesn't. But it doesn't.
Click on the folder. Go. It's under. What is this under?
It's under new folder. It just says.
You're supposed to be clicked on the new folder. Okay. Hey, this is not what I'm. It's OneDrive. That's why. Open your OneDrive first. And click on the folder and hold it. Hey, Bo, thank you for sending that.
I think I hope. Yeah, Brayden's. I just like Brayden's.
Oh, so I need to edit that. This one's yours?
Yeah. No,
Well,
mine's posted, but you posted Brayden's as mine too.
Let's just go.
It's okay.
Okay, so I didn't post Brayden.
I made a new video and I was like, I'm gonna hit a second, and it said I couldn't post it.
All right, I'll just use what you sent me.
It said something about like negative. They're from the other two sides.